Good morning, bright and early this morning. We're out here in Sydney Harbour today, 6 o'clock in the morning. Sun hasn't even risen yet. Right now we're waiting for fog, because fog is apparently rolling down from the suburbs into the city. So we're gonna capture the Opera House and all of the city lights and the Harbour Bridge and that kind of stuff in fog, hopefully, fingers crossed. Fog's pretty rare in Sydney, and it only happens like once or twice a year, and so yeah, fingers crossed it happens, because it's always a spectacle, it's always a visual treat. We'll see what happens, and hopefully go and get some good photos today. Surreal, man. Freaking love fog. It's so cool. Oops, sorry. Might as well. Back to the quay. Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Oh, I can barely see the Harbour Bridge. Look. What bridge? There used to be a bridge here. I don't know where it's gone to. Being eaten. Oh, so atmospheric. Oh my goodness. Alright, that's it for this Foggy POV video. Thank you so much for watching. As a little bonus for sticking around until the end, here are some extra shots that didn't quite make it to the final video because I stopped recording on the GoPro by accident. But anyway, fog in Sydney is pretty special, so I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed shooting it. Do me a favor and hit that like button for me and subscribe if you aren't already. Also come and join the community over at Instagram, Discord, and on Patreon if you're interested. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, get out there and make something that matters. Peace.